Hello and welcome back to Zulua Consultants. In this video, I want to answer this examination question under the topic electronic configuration. The question reads, element X as the atomic number of 17. So the first one is asking us to write the electronic configuration of element X. So how do you write the electronic configuration? So the electronic configuration, we know that the first shell always has 2 electrons. So out of the 17 electrons that we have, when you remove 2, we are remaining with 15 electrons. So the second shell can occupy a maximum of 8 electrons. And 8 is less than 15, so if we use 8, so we can put 8 there, we are remaining with 7. So the next shell can also occupy a maximum of 8 electrons. Now we only have 7 electrons remaining, so we'll put all the 7 electrons there. So this is the electronic configuration for this element. The second question is asking us to identify the group in which this element is. Now, for us to identify the group in which this element is, we use the valence electrons. So, the number of electrons in the outermost shell gives us the group of an element. So in this case, this element has 7 electrons in the outermost shell. So this means it is in group 7. When we go to C, C is asking us to identify the period of this element. In which period is the element? Now, the period is identified by the number of shells that are used up when coming up with the electronic configuration. So we have used 1, 2, 3 shells. So C, we are saying the period of this element is in period 3. Now, after identifying that this element is in group 7, period 3, we can now answer question D by going on the periodic table and identify which element is in group 7 and period 3. So an element which is in group 7 and period 3 is chlorine. So this is the element that has the atomic number 17. The question that is last is asking us to identify or to write the ion of this element. Now, when you look at the electronic configuration that we wrote, the electronic configuration suggests that the last shell has 7 electrons. Now, if the last shell or the outermost shell is almost full, then that element gains electrons. So how many electrons does this element need for it to reach 8, which is the maximum number? We only need 1 electron. So in terms of the electronic configuration for the ion, it will be 2,8,8. So it has gained 1 electron. Now the question is, we need to write the ion. How will this ion be? So it will be Cl, then we will show the electron that has been gained. So this is the ion of this element. Or you can write as X and negative there. So this is how we write the ion of this element. Hope this question has been very beneficial to you and you have gotten all the points needed for you to answer this examination question under the topic electronic configuration. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Facebook page for this and more videos. Until next time, it is bye-bye.